Today has been a monumental day. Jace, tell the people of YouTubies and TikTokies what has taken place.
The truck has driven.
Yes, what else did it do, Mason?
Fat, juicy burnout.
Alright, so we drove the S10 on its first drive down to the bus stop to get Jace, and the interior is, we won't look at that, or that, or that, or that, but, yep, he's going to be super excited to see the truck down here, because this is the first time it's ran under its own power, to get his reaction when the bus comes. Oh, and I, got the gas pedal mounted. I actually like where it's at, but when we beat the transmission tunnel into submission, we really beat it into submission, so there's really no room to get your foot in there, so I'm gonna have to beat that back out a little bit. What do you think, boy?
Sounds good.
Sounds real good. You want to give it a little rev? Give it a little rev. What do you think, boy? We got to take you down and put the bed and stuff on, and yeah.